Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your Roku TV. So let's get started. The easiest way to do this is by using your Android phone. First, open the Meta app on your phone and select your Oculus Quest 2. Use the app to cast your Quest to your phone. There are a few ways to do this in the app, but once it's casting, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll cast your phone to your Roku TV. On your phone, go to Settings and look for the Cast option, sometimes under More Connectivity options. Turn it on and your phone will start searching for available devices. On your Roku TV, make sure screen mirroring is enabled. Press the Home button on your Roku remote, go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring, and set it to Prompt. This way, whenever a device tries to cast, your TV will ask for confirmation. Once your phone appears on your Roku TV, select it and confirm the connection on your TV. Since your Oculus Quest 2 is casting to your phone, it will now display on your Roku TV as well. And that's it. This is a simple way to enjoy your Oculus Quest 2 on a bigger screen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.